Solana is tanking below 140 and I literally cannot fill up my Porsche. Well, that's at least what would have broke developers say. And me personally, I turned $100 a day into $1,000 a day in a market like that, just using my own simple method that I will be explaining in this video, and how, you know, I did it and how I came up with it. So let's begin. Now remember, this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so do not repeat anything you see in this video. It's all one big skit, joke, not real, AI generated, and I'm actually Jew. So, as you all can see, the market is literally not in the best conditions. Even though we have coins like that run pretty good, Solana is at 138 to actually it's dropping to 136 sometimes. Bitcoin is sinking, everything is sinking. And you're probably wondering, Pasha, the volume is 200 million. Can you actually make anything, any profits in the market conditions like that? Like, is it even doable? Do we even need to def anything? Well, it's simple. You know, the problem and the market stays the same. Like, it actually does not matter if Solana is 250 or, блядь, 100. You still can be profitable, because I am still profitable even in the market conditions like that. Now, the other thing is that people don't hold at all. Like, literally it's impossible to slow cook. Even like right here, you can see that this coin was launched by you know, the Vogue developer, yet even this coin didn't bond, because people like literally they don't hold. Like nowadays, like you don't get it, guys. You literally don't get it. Nowadays people don't hold. So let's say you launch a coin, and as a professional, I'm gonna be using Paint. So, you know, coin launch, it consists from 3 balls. Yeah, it looks bad, YouTube, don't ban me. First of all is idea, second one is execution of this idea, and third one is launching. You guys fail right here. Your ideas are ass. It's not meta, it's not funny, it's bad. Then execution comes in. Your ticker is bad. Ticker is huge ass. Your name for the coin is very bad. And the picture is ugly. As an example, I'm gonna go to one of my dev Twitter accounts, and I'm actually gonna go through communities that I have launched. Well, you know, some of them I launched not for a video, but actually launched myself. And you will be able to see that I have launched several runners. As an example, the recent one, the recent one that I already showed to you several times, so you can believe that I actually dev for real. Like, this one did like 50k, because, you know, it was like the runner of the day was like USDT, unstable Donald Trump, and I did BTS, like Vamp coin on it, Baron tanked crypto, which did like 50k, and then another like 12 sol in creator reward. Well, in creator reward it was less. I mean, in fees it did 12 sol, but nevertheless, you know, the idea was good because it was meta. The ticker was great because, you know, USDC BTS, Barrington crypto name, and the picture was regarding meta. So, you know, I hit all of this, and then, only then, I was thinking about launching, because, you know, how you bundle it, how you promote it, how much you invest, how you do it. You can do it with $100, you can do it with 10k. It's like, it's all matter of launch, but like most of you gonna fail here on idea and execution of this idea. Now, most of the ideas, I would say, that you do is like 95% S. 95% is S. 4% is good. G, S. And this one is SD. Certified dev. That means you literally hit the spot. Now, we actually have 4 niche. First one is AI utility. We're gonna be launching one in this video. As an example, this one, okay? We're gonna go here. Wait, do they have a website? Oh my days, he misunderstood it all. So let's say this one, Zax Sim. You see that it has like this website. It has Twitter, so it's pretty much AI utility. But this one is gonna be a huge rock. Yeah, I mean, it's already rocked. You can see that. It's been farmed a little. Now it's gonna be a 1 red candle down. You're gonna see it in a minute. I'm just gonna leave it open right here. Now, another one would be community coins, like as an example, SQLana or OK Guy. You see the coins with the community. Now, another one would be the news coin, as an example, this one, like, you know, the news, something happened and people make a, they usually, what they usually do is that they go to Twitter right here, then they refresh the page, and then they have this UDEF extension right here, which allows you to create meme coins. For example, something happens, you're gonna go UDEF, here you can go, choose anything, then name like das, and then, you can even go auto sale, deploy it, and it's gonna automatically deploy no matter who it is, what it is. You can even do it with the videos, I guess, because if it's a video, you can just go NYC crazy, блять, and here it's gonna give you like the picture, exactly what you need. Now that's what we when we are talking regarding Twitter. So we have AI utilities, communities, and Twitter, and then obviously we can farm some snipers, and then we have stream coins, which is like the whole another level of the things. Now you have to understand that there are a lot of ways of launching, but the one that gonna fit you the best is the one that gonna fit you the best. Like, that's what you need to understand. For example, me personally, I'm at the stage when I can just go to Vortex Bundler, and Bundler is a software that allows you to create meme coins and buy into them with your own wallets. I can just go to my Phantom wallet like that. I can go with my Phantom wallet, send like 14 Sol to my wallets. I'm gonna send Sol and wait a little bit. Now when I see that funds have arrived, I'm gonna send like another 2 Sol to developer wallet real quick. And here, I'm just gonna go launch bundle snipe. I'm gonna do 1.9 here, 3 here, 3.6 Sol here, 1, 0.5, 0.12, 1, no, 0.01. Oh, wait. Where it's at? Oh, right here. Boom. So if I'm gonna go here, we can see that I just did like 1 Sol profit. And then I'm gonna go here. I sent like 16 Sol, right? So boom, just like that. I'm gonna go send it. You can see 0.8 Sol after commission. So you see, it's that easy for me. So let's do something bigger. Let me show you like the real launch of the real coin. So first thing first, even on the market like that, we gotta start with a little bit of profits. Like, actually we need to snipe farmers a little bit. So let's wait a little bit. Yeah, not for a coin like that. Let's wait a little bit for a coin that gets a lot of volume at the beginning of it. As an example, this Labubu movie. Yeah, I mean, that can do it. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Token metadata, clone it. Let me see. It's hella bundled. I'm not sure if it's the one that we need. We need actually organic buys in. Neutral face. Can it do it? Nah, I don't think so. Wait, we need something like that people are buying in themselves. Okay, this one is right. Yeah, this one can do it. This one can do it. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna go here. Oh my days, my monitor turned off. Okay, now it's working once again. Could not fetch the data. Why is that? Oh my days, bro. Let me see. Okay, this one. Yeah, okay, you know what? If it's not working, then I guess let's do it like that. We're gonna go 0.85 dev buy. 0.85 dev buy. 3 wallets. 3.5 Sol. 1 sniper wallet, 0.5, 0.1 to 2, 3% maximum sniper, no, 0.01. Let's see. Can we get a little bit of money? Oh my days, no snipers on my coin. Or they already went out. Yeah, I guess. They went out. They went out before I went in. Let me see if I can trigger a little bit with manual buys in. Let me see. Yeah, I think we got some. Damn. I think they cashed out on me before I did. Oh my days, bro. Even here I'm too late, блять. So now, as for right now, what we have is that we have generational depth of 0.1 Sol. which is kind of sad, but it's okay. We're gonna make it through. I'm gonna get back all the soul that I have. To this wallet real quick. I'm gonna get it all back. Then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go project wallets. And I'm actually gonna take all of my wallets since, you know. So I'm gonna press create a new project, create a new coin, pump fund, project wallets, create a new wallets. And then here we're gonna paste our private keys. Now, since we have 13 wallets, what I want to do is that I want to send like 14 soul to them, let's say. I mean, you can send any amount, it doesn't matter. It's all about like coin, bundling, preparation, execution. So, you know, does it really matter? Now, once everything arrived to the wallets, I'm gonna take dev wallet and actually send like 2 soul to it. Just like that. Then I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go swap manager. I just did the forbidden settings that I cannot show here, but yeah, you know, I did my settings here. Now I'm gonna go token metadata, input all the data in here. So we're gonna be launching this kind of AI utility coin as, you know, I would say. The only problem that I have with it is actually picture is so ass since it's did by Grok. We're gonna input name right here and then we're gonna send the picture to here. Wait, my naked pictures are also here. Now, once we have our Rolex on and all token metadata input, we're gonna go ask our devs if they're ready for CA. So, I'm gonna go launch bundle snipe. Oh, wait. Huh? I think I did not send it. Damn, this is actually crazy. Coins like that make me believe in Solana. But bro, migration at like what? 50k? Oh, come on now, блядь. It's just sadness. It's just freaking sadness, блядь. Anyways, I'm gonna go 1.9 sold dev by 3 wallets. Okay, let me blur everything. Because, you know, I don't really want you to see it all, блядь. Since it's my forbidden settings that you can only get being inner club member. And so on. But, you know, if you're a very good human being, we might as well do you a favor, блядь. But are you actually good? Who knows? Who knows? Then we are 5 soul up. It's actually going pretty good. 6 soul up. Nice. Looking good. Looking very good. Eight soul. Can cook more. Let me pay the deck screener. Так, okay, we are 8.5 soul up. I think at like, if we can get like 20k market cap, that will be great. Бля, дай мне all-time high, дай мне all-time high. Holy fucking shit, I nutted in my pants, блядь. What the fuck was that? Oh my fucking days, bro. Now, sorry guys, I need to see what the profits are. Was too happy. Was too happy with everything. Boom, just like that. 31 soul. Let me do calculation. 31.8, negative 16, negative 2.2. So yeah, that's like the purest profit, and actually it's a little bit more, so it's like that. I mean, not bad. Just, you know, join my Discord server, join Inner Club, subscribe to this channel, watch all of my videos on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Telegram, and you'll make it. Subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace out.